Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 12th, 2024. Told you there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday, February the 10th and 11th, 2024. And in this puzzle page, we have only one puzzle left. I've already done the 3 stars Sudoku, and one puzzle is left in this puzzle page. There are 3 puzzles in the additional, but let me solve this one. The 3 star Sudoku number. This will be number 7988. 7988. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row, or in the column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. 5 O's and 5 ones. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. I think the 1 should be there. The 5th O should be here. Then here we have 2 ones, and there we have 2 ones. Yes, the 5th O should be here. So here 2 ones, and there 2 ones, and here between 2 O's we need a 1. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yeah, double 1, here no, there no. 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 And now the double O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O's, 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 here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 3, 4. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And now here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's, double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 3 other puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.